Hi, today's tutorial is on how to jig for tambans. I'm at Labrador Jetty today. These are tamban bait fishes. You can use the live ones as live bait, or the dead ones, you can cut them up and use the meat as bait. You can also cook them, fry them to eat. So I'll be using this $1 Sabiki rig that I got from the tackle shop. The Sabiki rig that's tied by our local anglers are more effective, but I couldn't get them, so I just got a random one from the tackle shop. It's written in Japanese. On the left side you will attach the sinker, and then on the right side you will attach it to your main line. So I tied my main line to a snap and swivel already. This is the jetty. The current is moving from the right side to the left side now. So we are gonna fish at the right end of the jetty. We will be fishing against the current. First we need to get a styrofoam box because I'm gonna use the tamban as live bait, so I'll get some water to keep them alive for a longer time. There are usually styrofoam boxes left by other people at the jetty, so we can share them. So to start fishing for tamban, you have to cast your line out. So remember, you'll be fishing against the current, which means the current will actually push your line towards the jetty. So cast a bit further out, if not it will get stuck at the bottom of the jetty very fast. Cast your line out, then let it sink down for a while. So the fishes are sometimes at the top of the water, sometimes they're at mid-water, sometimes they're at the bottom. So you just need to find where they are and keep dropping at the same place. So once you drop down already, you close the bail and you start to jig, and then you reel back, jig, reel back. So the best time to fish for tamban is actually in the morning or near before sunset, when the current is moving quickly. So right now it's almost high tide, but the weather is quite hot lah, so not as many tambans. Then you start all over again, cast out, let it sink down, close your bail, and then you jig and reel back. So if nothing bites, then you cast out again. And then once there is, you feel something vibrating and it's quite heavy, then you know that the tamban has taken your hook. Then you reel all the way back and unhook the tamban in your box. So to use them for live bait, you just have to make sure that they are still alive when you're using them, and then I will hook them. I will hook the tamban right below the fin area. Then I'll put it back in water while I'm hooking the other one. So I'm using 2 tambans at one go. We can also use the meat of the tamban that is dead already as a bait. With 2 hooks, I'm going to use tamban bait. I cut it into half. Say the head is more effective. Ooh, other fish. Why you bite my tamban?